All right, guys, welcome back to Motion Raceworks YouTube channel. Coming at you live with one of our new products that's flying off the shelf for our Tech Tip Tuesday. All right, guys, so as you see, we got Ruby's turbo kit going back together, and you can see using our new cast wastegate flanges. I'm gonna tell you a few things about them that makes them a little bit better than just running a piece of pipe. We'll start off with the direct rate of flow you get with these. As you can see, that's right through the collector, right into the merge. You cut a bigger oval hole, as you can see the opening here, that divides and diverts the flow of exhaust air right through the wastegate, making your wastegate a little bit more efficient than just running a straight piece of pipe. Also with it, you get this flatter pad, so you don't have to worry about running a support piece, adding extra material, or worrying about bracing the tube you have coming off for the wastegate. So once the wastegate's on here, the weight of the wastegate is evenly distributed through this cast piece. So here's another view at this side. You get a nice oval shaped hole you get to cut. Welds on there pretty good. You get nice airflow right through to your wastegate, making your wastegate work the way it should and decrease some back pressure issues. Another thing too is these cast stainless pieces weld so nice. So those are some of your beneficial gains you get with running one of our Motion Raceworks stainless wastegate flanges, merges, whatever you want to call them. Another thing too is when you have a cut piece of pipe and you weld another cut piece of pipe, you end up with a joint. And if you guys know the characteristics of metal, where you cut it, it's prone to cracking and fatiguing the metal. With having this flat plate that overlays it, you have an overlapping gap. So you're allowed to penetrate the cast piece with more heat to weld it to the pipe, which gives you a stronger support piece to hold the wastegate. Y'all know that some of these wastegates, when you get to the bigger sizes, your 60, your 50, your 60, your 66 millimeter CO2 wastegates, they get heavy. And when you got this thing being, up on that pipe, and you just use a piece of tube to tube, all the shake and vibration of your, high horsepower race car ripping down the racetrack, it's prone to crack that tube. We are trying to eliminate that with our here Motion Raceworks cast wastegate flanges. Man, I tell you what, they just look sweet on there. So go on, get over to motionraceworks.com, link down below in the description, and order your set while they're on the shelf waiting to be on your hot rod.